The king of the jungle versus the beast of the wild. Who really wins? You won't believe what happens. The lion strikes first, launching at full speed with its razor-sharp claws, slashing the bear's face. But wait, the bear doesn't even flinch. This grizzly is a 1,200-pound muscle tank with insane power. With one massive swipe, it sends the lion flying across the battlefield. The lion roars in frustration and goes for the throat, using its legendary bite force to clamp down. But the bear's thick fur and raw power make it nearly impossible to take down. And then, boom! The bear stands up on two legs and crushes the lion with sheer force. So, who wins this epic showdown? While lions are fast and tactical, a full-grown grizzly is just too powerful.